The 250-cylinder engine of the new FAZER FZ25 CONNECTED is renowned throughout Brazil for its performance and efficiency. With ideal power and torque, it is perfect for urban use and touring, while also requiring simple maintenance. The FAZER FZ25 has an ABS system on both wheels, which prevents the wheels from locking during sudden braking or low grip conditions, such as on rainy days, and ensures excellent driving control. The new air intakes add even more robustness and sportiness to the design of the new FAZER FZ25 CONNECTED. The iconic LED headlight assembly, which includes projector, DRL and flashlight, now has new LED arrows, and the new FAZER FZ25 CONNECTED is full LED, meaning it is completely LED. This is not only more stylish, but also guarantees strong and clear lighting in all situations. The perfect balance between sportiness and ergonomics is now even better with the updated seat and rear-view mirrors. The new FAZER FZ25 CONNECTED is the ideal motorcycle for both long journeys with its comfortable riding position and high-performance enthusiasts with its adjustable rear suspension. It provides stability and absolute control in corners. The split seat with new hardness and foam thickness adjustment provides even more comfort for the rider and the pillion. The new FAZER FZ25 CONNECTED now features Bluetooth connectivity with the Yamaha Motorcycle Connect app YConnect. With it, you can manage usage and performance indicators, plan maintenance, compare the most efficient riding mode, determine where the vehicle was last parked, and mark the most interesting routes you have tried and share them on social media. With its new design and interface, the panel has a Blackout-style LCD screen that is 59% larger than before. It remains 100% digital, displaying icons indicating the battery level of the mobile phone, Yamaha Motorcycle Connect, YConnect connection, and incoming message and call notifications. Thanks to the new 12V socket, which guarantees the convenience of charging your mobile phone at any time, you will always be connected to a charged battery. It's your new do that connects you to economy, the streets, and your friends.